Hi everybody and welcome to the 7th grade Cambridge ELA Open House with me, Mrs. Pristis. I will be your language arts teacher for the 2020-2021 school year with Pembroke Pines Charter Middle School. I'm happy that I will get to know you this year and we will be working together to help each other learn and achieve many goals. The curriculum in this course includes literature and nonfiction reading. Students will study various texts from all around the world with a focus on multicultural authors from varied time periods. Writing. Embedded in the coursework is a focus on academic writing. Students will receive instruction on text-based informational and argumentative writing that are both assessed by FSA. Listening and speaking are important as well. Techniques of speech, debate, active listening, and research-based spoken responses are infused in the classroom activities and reinforced in enriching activities as indicated by Florida standards. Some of the resources that we will be using in the class are listed below. All of the resources that we're using will be available through our Canvas course. The HMH collection includes our textbook with the stories and the nonfiction text, the closed reader workbook that you can pick up to have a hard copy of, and the performance assessment which is used for our writing. And we will also infuse novels such as the ghost novel that we read over the summer. iReady, Vocabulary.com, BrainPop, Study Island, Flipgrid, Nearpod, Edpuzzle, Edgelastic, and more are other websites that will all be infused into our course through our Canvas. The iReady requirements are super important to know because you will be getting a weekly grade for what you do with iReady. In order to earn 100% for the week, you need to make sure that your time on task in iReady is at least 30 minutes and that you have passed at least one of the lessons. To earn an 80%, you need to still make sure that you pass one of the lessons, but maybe you weren't online for a total of 30 minutes or more. If you have no lessons passed, but you have spent a lot of time on task for the week, you will receive a 50%, and obviously you will get a 0% in the gradebook if you haven't done any iReady at all for the week. If and when you finish your entire iReady path, then I will assign you some other reading curriculum to work on. Expectations. These are really important to know, especially since we're starting the year off virtually, but we are still meeting through Zoom. With that being said, you need to be on time and prepared with all supplies for class. So that means that you need to make sure that you are logged in to Clever and Canvas so that you can access our Zoom class before our period actually starts, so that you'll be ready to listen and learn and work with us. You need to make sure you're working in a place where you will not be easily distracted and can focus best. Make sure you dress for success by wearing your school clothes. No distracting tabs should be open on any of your devices. Plagiarism is absolutely not permitted, so always make sure that your work is your own and that you're not giving your work to other people to use. Respect everybody and everything. Before posting, make sure you think. Say, is it really true? Is it hurtful? Is it illegal? Is it really necessary? And the K is it kind? The grading for language arts is as follows. Your assessments will count as 40% of the grade, and that can be written and performance-based assessments. Your other coursework is worth 40% of your final grade, and your iReady is worth 20% of your final grade. If a student does not submit an assignment, they will earn a slash score mark for missing assignments. The slash marks are weighted at a 35% in Jupyter Gradebook. For Broward County Public Schools absentee student policy, students then have 2 days to complete the work in order to earn full credit. After the 2 days are over, you can't earn full credit anymore. Course delivery and communications. This is real important to understand as well, again, since we are starting off virtually. Canvas will be the most important thing to make sure that you know how to get to through Clever. All course content, including our Zoom class meetings, assignments with links, announcements, and assessments will be accessed through our Canvas course. All work will also be submitted here. Jupyter. Communication will be made via Jupyter through emails. Students' grades will be accessed in Jupyter as well. That's important to understand because sometimes you will see scores in Canvas for assignments, but the final and actual grade that you will be earning to average out for your report card will always be updated in Jupyter. Parents and students should set up notifications in Jupyter to receive all updates. And Zoom. Our live classes will be through Zoom. We will meet every time we're supposed to for whatever period you're in. Students will access your secured Zoom sessions also through Canvas for each of your class periods. This is the daily schedule for the school. From 8:30 to 8:50, there will be a social emotional learning lesson in your first or second period, depending on the day of the week. From 8:50 to 10:30, you'll have period 1 or 2. 10:35 to 12:15, again, depending on the day of the week, would be for third period. From 12:15 to 12:50, every day is lunch. And from 12:50 to 2:30 would be fifth or sixth period. When we have all 6 periods, on Fridays when there's 5-day weeks, from 8:30 to 8:40 is your social emotional learning within your first period class. First period is from 8:40 to 9:30. Second period is from 9:35 to 10:25. Third period from 10:30 to 11:20. Fourth period is from 11:25 until 12:15. Lunch is from 12:15 until 12:45. Fifth period is 12:45 until 1:35. And your final period of the day is 1:40 until 2:30. All about Mrs. Christmas. I was born and raised in South Florida. I graduated from UF in 1987 with my bachelor's degree in elementary education. Then I began my career as an educator in 1987. I have taught in Dade, Alachua, and Broward counties. I earned my master's degree in educational leadership from FIU. My husband and 2 daughters also all graduated from UF. Go Gators. And some of my hobbies include doing community service, voting, traveling, and going to Gator games. You can find our syllabus here when looking at the open house video by clicking on the link. You can also find our syllabus on our Canvas course page. There's a button there to find the syllabus. There's also a button to find expectations and open house, as well as our weekly modules and other important information. One of my favorite quotes is right here. I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination. If you ever have any questions or need any guidance with anything, please feel free to email me or contact me through Canvas or Jupyter. I happen to be really good about responding in a timely manner. I hope you enjoyed this, and again, I know we'll have a great year together. I'm looking forward to it.